Hello guys. Today we're taking a look at the Lenovo Legion Tower 5i AI-powered gaming PC, a desktop that instantly feels like a serious upgrade the moment you power it on. From the very first session, everything feels fast, smooth, and effortlessly responsive, making it clear this system is built for more than just casual gaming. At the core, the Intel Core Ultra 9 275F paired with the NVIDIA GeForce RTX 5070 Ti delivers the kind of performance that lets you play modern AAA games with high frame rates, ray tracing, and stunning detail without hesitation. Even in massive open-world titles, gameplay stays stable and fluid with no dips or stutters. With 32 gigabytes of DDR5 RAM, multitasking is easy, whether you're gaming, streaming, recording, or running multiple apps at once. Cooling is another highlight. The optimized air cooling setup keeps the system quiet even under heavy use, so long sessions stay comfortable. The design also stands out with a transparent side panel, clean build, and customizable RGB lighting that looks premium without being overdone. Overall, the Lenovo Legion Tower 5i delivers powerful performance, smooth multitasking, and a future-ready design, making it an excellent choice for gamers and creators who want a desktop that can truly handle everything. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.